Hey everybody, welcome back to BigRedEDC. Well, it's kind of funny. We hadn't had a BigRed's bargain bin for a while, and now we're just kind of having a run of them. And this guy fits into that category as well. This is the HOTO, H-O-T-O, 24-in-1 screwdriver pen. Now this is pretty cool. It's got quite a few bits to go along with it. But there you go. If it'll focus on it, there you go. Designed by HOTO, right there. Now, as you can see, this is spinning. It's actually will spin in your hand very, very easily. So you've got aluminum construction on this little guy. Now, all the bits are S2 steel, but it's not too long. Let's see, it's not quite 5 inches, about 4 3/4 inches long, about a half-ish inch wide, and you're going to come out with the total weight with all the bits and stuff inside right about 59 grams or 2.1 ounces. So not too hefty. But cool feature about this, it's got a magnetic tube that holds all your bits. Now, you're going to end up with 24 different bits. This little guy spins on there. What it includes, you got 4 Phillips bits. There you go. You can kind of see them there. 4 Phillips bits, 3 hex bits. You've got, 8 Torx bits, T2 to T10, which, for those of us, using these on knives and stuff, that could come in very handy. You got some spanner bits. You got Y bits, you got U bits, W bits, tri-wing, triangle bits, and 5-sided bits. So you've got quite a little bit going on there. We'll pop one of these little buggers out. Now these are kind of magnetically held in there as well. So we'll put it in, drop it on. You can kind of pulls it in there as well. Magnetic bit holds it in pretty nice. And I've got fairly small hands, and it really, small hands, medium. I'm right on the line from medium to large, and it rotates in the hand. And actually, for being aluminum, it slides a little bit, but you can see it's got, I don't know how many sides it's got, but I can get a good grip on it and use it and spin it, and it does pretty darn well. Pop that out, pull your little magnetic tube out, slip the bit back in, and, gotta get it. There we go. There you go. Now, I'm going to sit here. It's magnetic. I'm shaking it pretty easily, and it's not coming out. So that magnet holds it in there pretty darn well. If you really fling it, there's a good chance it's going to come out, and your bits are going to go all over the place. I don't recommend doing that, because why would you? But it comes in 3 different colors. You've got black, you've got this azure blue, as they call it, and then you have a red one as well. They sent the blue one out. Man, if they sent the red one. Ho ho. So, HOTO, they sent me a link to their website, and on their website, it's $19.99. They gave me a code, BRE30. You can save 30%. Only issue with that is it's $7 shipping, so it takes it back up to like $20. So you can find them on Amazon for $14.99. If you're really thinking about grabbing one, I would say go to Amazon. Sure, you can use my code. They were talking about commission and stuff. Guys, $14.99 on Amazon. A little bit of tax depending on where you're at. If you have Amazon Prime, you got free shipping. So you get it for like $16. So if you're going to take a look at it, go check out Amazon. There'll be a link down in the comments. Go check it out. But overall, yes, it's not going to do the big jobs. But, for us, taking apart knives and stuff like that, it's going to come in pretty darn handy and work just fine. You got a little bit, It's a little longer, so you can get a little bit more torque on it if you would need it. Hopefully, if you're taking apart your knife, they didn't use too much Loctite, and you don't need a lot of torque, because that could turn into a bad day. We've seen it, probably done it. Yeah, not too bad. But overall, it's not a bad little tool. It works as designed, does the job you need it to, and it comes out just fine. So, really appreciate HOTO sending this one out. Appreciate you guys stopping by and checking it out with me, of course. Like I said, we've had a little bit of a run on Big Red's Bargain Bin. I know a lot of you like the series, so it's fun when I get to do them and find these products less than 20 bucks. Not too bad. But, guys, have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. As always, thank you so much. Like, subscribe, leave me that comment. You know I love talking to you. Until next time, I'll talk to you later, guys. Bye-bye.